May birthday talaga dito na. Hi guys! Today is October 16 and it's Adrian's birthday celebration. Actually, tomorrow pa yung birthday niya, October 17. But we are going to celebrate it in advance and sila kasi mag-overnight. I'm planning to bake his birthday cake na ibibigay ko. Para lang maiba naman. Gusto ko, yung ibibigay ko sa kanya na cake is from the heart. Pero kung hindi masarap, it's a thought that counts, diba? Joke lang. So yeah, I am going to start na. So, gagamit ako nito. Ako pa rin naman nag-bake, diba?
Maybe this is heaven, maybe that's just you. I don't trust my judgment, cause I'm just 22. My mind just runs in circles, my heart is out in the rain. I know that this is sudden, but do you feel the same? Do you feel the same? Do you feel the I can't make my mind up, I don't know what to do. I'm trying to be honest, point of view, so tell me.
Nalagay ko na siya guys sa oven for 30 minutes and now, pa-prepare ko lang yung mga kailangan for the ganache.
Feel the same. Do you feel?
So, mga chocolate, sa mga pang decor.
You feel the same. Do you feel the same? Do you feel the same?
Tapos ko lang gawin yung ganache and papalamigin ko muna yun. Pero ito, tumunog na siya. Ayan. So, check ko if luto na siya.
You need your space, but if you feel lonely, I'm an hour away. I know you told me, baby, but do you feel the same? Do you feel the same? Do you feel the same?
So guys, nalagay ko na sa ref yung cake and then yung ganache. Then I'll just let it chill for at least 20 minutes para tumigas yung ganache kasi medyo malambot pa talaga siya.
A few moments later.
Do you feel the same?
Hi guys, don't judge. Pero sobrang proud na ako. And thank you to my mother for helping me. Sobrang plain lang. Gusto ko nga sana sulatan yung top lang. Kaso baka masira ako kasi hindi naman ako marunong, diba? So, I think okay na to. Hi guys, so may dumating kasing package and yeah, I want to open it with you guys. So, I'm using my phone. So, bear with the quality and audio. Please, sana okay naman yung audio. Actually guys, I'm a fan of Rai Velasco. Gusto ko yung pag-vlog niya. Sometimes ginagawa ko siyang inspiration when I edit. Nag-release sila ng mug. And since may coffee corner kami dito, syempre gusto namin maraming baso. May hawag tong mug nila sa Chamberlain. So, we just had to get it. This is a Rai Velasco. Made me buy it. Ayan. May print lang dito na the Lula Club. This is a metal straw. And we have here the mug. So, this is their packaging. It's cute. This is best for cold beverages daw. Yeah. Para lang siya sa Chamberlain coffee. Yung isang jar, gano'n. Ayan. Ooh, ayan. Meron lang siyang print din dito on both sides. And then we'll put a straw here. So cute. Okay guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo ay nag-BS ako. Here's my OOTD! I love this skirt. Parang Emilio Pucci vibes. This skirt is from Zara. Sobrang body hugging niya. That's why I love it. And then, ito, nakita nyo na to from my Pomelo haul. Okay! Guys na ako kasi nakita nyo na may tsura ko, diba? Ano to? I don't know. Aray! siyang CC cream para din. Hindi na pala ako nag-moisturizer or what kasi nakalimutan ko. Okay, tapos na. Bye! What? And then, nung isang araw kasi guys, pinuntahan ako ng pinsan ko, si that guy Simon, and he gave me 3 products from Colored kasi I heard na he won something from them. Marami siya na napanalunan, so shinare niya sa aming magpipinsan. So he gave me this. This is actually a dewy multi-stain, which I can use obviously for my lips, for my eyes, and for my cheeks. For today, I'm going to use it for my cheeks just to try it. Not bad. It's really pigmented. Okay, so I'm almost done. Spray na lang ako. My lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Glowing Gem. Ayan, shade ang mahilot. Okay ba? Parang masyadong makapal, no? Tsaka parang ang puti ko. Ano to? Naman kasi October 16, hindi pwedeng October 18. Lucky. Bet nyo ba?
A few inches later.
Hi guys! So, it's 4:46 na. Update wala pa si Adrian kasi medyo na-delay siya. Ice cream. Hi guys! I'm with Adrian na. Ano yan? So, it's 5:05 in the afternoon. Medyo na-delay. Hindi pala medyo. Na-delay talaga. Delay talaga, yeah. Paalis pa lang kami.
Bye, Te. Thank you.
Ang sabi niya sa akin, sunduin niya daw ako ng mga 3
PM.
Wow.
Time check. 5:06.
Hindi naman Filipino time masyado. Talagang ultra mega Filipino time na. Ako na mismo yung nagdala ng cake na surprise ko dapat sa kanya. Ito na siya. And ang fail pa, so wala akong box. Sorry.
It's okay.
Not to be
Still
okay.
get surprised.
Anyway, update ko na kayo guys later.
Buyer.
Bye! We're here.
Patulong mo.
Ito na kami. Gulot naman ako. Ayan. Yung CCTV kasi dito guys, may sensor, ganun. Every time na may nasense siyang tao, tumutunog.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay Hawaii. Oh, just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started.
Ganun, nakapasok sa may aircon guys kasi ang init dun. Nag-prepare kasi kami ng food. Si Adrian, naliligo. Tapos magpe-prepare din siya ng sarili niya. And ako, tambay. Room tour na lang tayo. So sabi daw, 6 people each room. May 2 rooms lang naman dito. So, bale, 12. Ganun. So, ito yung isang room. Ayan. Ganon. Ayan, may sofa lang dito. And alam ko parang pwedeng may sofa bed din. Hindi mo na ako pasok guys sa kabilang room kasi naligo pa si Ed. So dito lang ni. Ang tagal naman nila. Sabi nila mga 6. Grabe, Filipino time din yung guests. Sabi okay lang din talaga na Filipino time kami kanina. But yeah, pakita ko na lang din sa inyo guys yung situation dun sa may gazebo. Kung may gulay, nasan yung rice? Nababa naman namin lahat, I think. Dab, nadala mo yung rice?
Hindi ba?
Wala doon? Wala na ba sa car? Kukunin ko asan yung susi eh.
Wala na.
Oh, damn! Guys, grabe. Kanina sobrang full on makeup ako. Wala pa. At, naiwan naman yung rice.
Akala ko, iniwan nyo talaga.
Hindi, naiwan.
Okay, sige.
Padala.
Okay, bye.
Okay. So, yeah. Buti na lang. Hindi pa nakakaalis. Sila Ditch ta sila Atch. Grabe. Sobrang pawis ko na. Kasi di ko tinatanggal yung mask ko. Di ko rin alam ba't di ko tinatanggal. Sa totoo lang. See the pool. Gusto ko mag-swim. Kasi gusto ko na mag-swim. Tignan nyo. Tinatawag na ako guys ng tubig. Tumalon ka na. Mag-swim ka na. Sobrang init. Soba. Yakisoba. Tambay muna ako sa kabilang room. And update ko na lang kayo guys. Wait,
One eternity later.
Walang pogi! Happy birthday! Ay, di ako pinansin. Iniwan din ako. Ang init. Kanina sobrang fresh ko pa. Ngayon,
Out with your girls and you got a couple drinks. Keep the party jumping cause the neighborhood is asleep. Walk straight to the said you got a man, but that's only for the week. Cause you sing on the weekend.
I love it. Grabe guys. I-hire nyo na lang kami. 09222222 for inquiry sa buffet or sa catering services. Grabe na effect yung electric fan ang init. We have empanada, takoyaki with the taki-taki, chicken, medyo nag-overflow, beef with broccoli, spare ribs ang alam ko, alio olio, and spare ribs, yummy. So we wait for the people of the universe. Alright. May lumpia and cordon bleu pa palagay. Alcohol.
You said you got a man, but that's only for the week. Cause you sing on the weekend.
Hey guys, andito na sila po.
Nagpakuha kami ng banner. Happy birthday banner, tas balloon. Kaya nga, sana, di ko kayo.
Wala na video. 22. Dito na sila. So sorry guys, hindi ako nakapag-update kasi ang dami ng ganaps kanina and kumain ako. But ito update ko, it's already 9:49 PM and nagsastart na yung parang get together. Grabe, ang labo nyo, di ba?
Hi! Welcome to Joyce Vlog! This is Coke. And this is Johnny Black Label. And this is Air.
Aray ko.
Uy, Fos! Masusunog yung candle! Joyce, hi! 22, ipakita mo yung 22. 22 years old. 22 years old. 22. Ayun na. Go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Birthday to you! Vlog takeover! Kakasapit lang ng 12 AM and birthday na ni AIDS. Happy birthday, Adrian! Kinis ko. Tatlo lang kami. Pangit ko.
Hello po! Next na naman. Huwag kakalimutan mag-subscribe kay Joyce. Ako nga pala to, yung nakikita nyong ASMR.
Ang feeling nito. Hi, Rosel!
Mag-advance sorry na po ako sa misis ko. Dali na naman tayo ng alak.
Let's go. 2 more years of friendship.
Birthday!
Run.
Joyce! Maubos na.
Alin?
Maubos na memory card mo.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're
1:26 and pauwi na kami. Actually nga, medyo nag-overtime kami. Pero kasi natagalan sa pagbanlaw. Tapos, masarap na yung kwentuhan sa pool. So, nakasad lang kasi bitin. But, I'm happy pa rin na umabot ako ng 1 AM. Wow, who is she? So, ngayon, nahatid muna naman si Ate Tatien sa, sila Adele. Kasi mag-sleep over siya doon. And after that, uwi na rin kami. So, I'll end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.